Hello, this is a quick setup tutorial video on how to get started with your LinkMatch and Sitely integration. If you don't see this login form, you can navigate it by clicking on this green check mark. If you don't see the green check mark, then click on the three dots in the right upper corner of your Chrome browser, go to More Tools, Extensions, and locate LinkMatch for Sitely. Click Details, and then Options. As a first step, make sure you're logged in into your Sitely. Afterwards, copy the subdomain name from the address bar of your Sitely page. Your subdomain is everything after the front slash and until the dot sign before the nsitely.com. After copying the subdomain, return to the login page and paste it into the first field. Next, click on your user settings and then go to API key section. Select and copy your API key. Go back to LinkMatch login form and paste it into the second field. In case you forgot how to get the API key, you can either rewatch this video or click on Get API Key. In the third field, type in the email address that is associated with your Sitely account and then log in. Once successfully logged in, go to LinkedIn and refresh the page. You should now see either green or orange check marks or red crosses next to LinkedIn profiles. This would mean that LinkMatch was successfully authorized and is working. If you don't see the check marks or red crosses, please contact our support team for assistance through linkmatch.net/Sitely. For best performance, we recommend configuring LinkMatch from the Options page. On the Fields Display Options tab, you will be able to organize the view of the LinkMatch pop-up window on LinkedIn. You'll have the option to either hide or rearrange the fields. The Parsing Options tab will give you an opportunity to customize how the information is saved from LinkedIn to your Sitely. By dragging and dropping the fields, you will tell LinkMatch how you would like the information to be saved. This will ensure that you have all the necessary information saved from the LinkedIn page. Please note that LinkMatch will only save the information that is publicly available on the LinkedIn page. Thank you for watching. We hope you'll enjoy using LinkMatch for Sitely. If you have any other questions or need help with anything else, please contact us at linkmatch.net/Sitely either through our chat, email, or phone.